lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you begun. Feel like